Hello guys, this is Nick with Phone Arena, and today we'd like to introduce you to a product we've been test driving for a while now. It is called 3CX Phone System 12, and it is an enterprise-grade solution meant to meet the telephony needs of both large and small companies. Phone System 12 is used to create a virtual telephone network, over which employees can communicate via their VoIP phones, PCs, even their iPhones or Android devices. And since all phone call traffic is handled over a local IP network and not by a telephone company, the actual phone calls don't cost a dime. Setting up 3CX Phone System 12 requires some time. It took us quite a while to get the server up and running at the office and to familiarize ourselves with its features. However, let us not forget that the software we're dealing with is tailored for enterprise use. Therefore, chances are that an IT expert with the necessary skills is going to handle its deployment, and to them, the setup process will be like child's play. Besides, the developers have provided a detailed user guide to go along with their product. By the way, the Phone System 12 server doesn't have to be installed on a dedicated machine, as long as it isn't handling a really large number of extensions. It ran on one of our office computers just fine without affecting its performance. Once the 3CX Phone System 12 server is set and ready to go, the system administrator may start adding extensions, which are the phone numbers associated with each device on the network. These can be entered manually one by one or imported from an existing contact database. The process is pretty straightforward, and we did not encounter any problems while filling up our contacts list. The entire 3CX Phone System 12 service is managed from its administrator console. It provides valuable tools for controlling the system's operation and for monitoring its status, which is essential for ensuring that it runs smoothly. Key features include adding VoIP service providers, managing the company's phone book, configuring office hours and call forwarding for each extension, grouping extensions for easy rights management, setting up fax machines, and more. It is great that clients for 3CX Phone System 12 are available on iOS and Android. These apps can be downloaded for free and come loaded with neat features. For example, the Phone System 12 server provides the list of enrolled extensions and the names of the people they are assigned to, saving the user time as they don't need to enter the data manually. Furthermore, active contacts are highlighted in the app's address book. During phone calls, one may transfer the call, put it on speakerphone, or initiate a conference conversation. Recording the call to a file is also an option, and that's a useful feature that you don't get with a regular phone call. Both these apps, however, leave room for improvement. The actual call quality, for example, could have been better. Sure, we are easily understood on the other side of the line, but our voice sounds artificial and digitized. Nevertheless, we can confirm that the system manages to keep the call going smoothly, even if a phone on a poor Wi-Fi connection is used. Another issue we noticed was that the Android client took a significant toll on our phone's battery, even when it was just waiting for incoming calls in the background. We were unable to get the iPhone client for 3CX Phone System 12 to work. The app would either not register with the system or would crash on its own. Switching accounts and re-rolling the extension didn't help. So there you have it. 3CX Phone System 12 isn't perfect, but it's a very capable solution for small and large businesses who want to streamline the communications throughout their offices using a contemporary VoIP service. We just hope that the mobile applications made for it will be developed further, as their quality isn't at the level one would expect out of a premium product. Anyone is free to give it a try by downloading the 3CX Phone System 12 server from the company's webpage and the respective